สวัสดีครับ It's 4 a.m. I'm doing good. I'm doing fine. No, I'm not with him. กินข้าวอย่างกินแต่เวย์ไปครับ ไม่ได้กินข้าวไม่ได้กินข้าวเลย กินแต่เวย์ไปกินแต่เวย์ไป ตอนเช้าไปวิ่งมาโหยิบนี่จริงอ่ะไม่ใหญ่แล้ว อยากกล้ามใหญ่แบบพี่ยิบบ้างI'm doing great. How are you guys? พี่ชื่ออะไรนะ PK ครับ เรียกกิจก็ได้ เรียกอะไรก็ได้ Hi ชินเจ้าสวัสดีครับ It's raining very hard here. Are you in Bangkok? I mean, like, these past 2-3 days, the rains also, like, hit the city as well. Can you please speak English? Yes, I'm speaking English. สวัสดีครับ I just had, like, a whey protein. That's it for today. I mean, I haven't had anything yet. แต่เช้านี้อาบน้ำเพราะไปวิ่งมานี่อาบน้ำเสร็จ Thank you. Where are your glasses? It's in my bag. Hi.ไม่ได้แต่งนี่ยังมีรอยสิวเลยแต่สิวหายหมดแล้วหมดเกลี้ยงเดี๋ยวจะรอยแหละ Hi พี่ฟ้าได้หนูหรอ In Chiang Mai oder aber das war schon lange. Hi, can you say something for the international fans? Yeah, I actually really missed you guys. Haven't had time to post or like live actually, cause I'm currently like really busy with work. So วันนี้เพิ่งมาไลฟ์เองครับ And how's Bangkok for you so far? Studying and also working as well. Live. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Take care of yourself. I'm still. It's going great. Hi. What are you doing right now? Just chilling.ต้องรีบพิมพ์เดี๋ยวพิมพ์ไม่ทันไอซ์บาร์รอบล่าสุดไม่ได้ลงครับไปเฉยๆไม่ได้ลงไม่ได้ทำอะไรเลยไปแค่ไปเฉยๆครับ ไปดูคนอื่นลงเคยครับลงมารอบนู้นก็เจ็บหลังเลยแต่รอบนี้แบบไม่ได้ลงเพราะว่ากลัวว่าแบบจะเจ็บอีกไม่เสี่ยง It will be out in September so stay tuned Can I go Yes you can You have my permissionsเมนูแนะนำวันนี้โหไม่รู้เลยอ่ะเมนูแนะนำวันนี้ผัดไทย Where's Namna? He probably asleep right now. Are there any series movie that you're watching right now? I just finished the movie. No, the series, The Perfect Crown. It's actually really good. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself and stay healthy. I'm currently waiting for Do you know what Namna is doing right now? I think he's asleep right now because he's always sleeping. ใครมาพี่ฟ้าชื่ออันทันครับพี่ฟ้าสวัสดีครับ I met in your sky อันทัน What is your favorite series of movies? Favorite series of movies Oops Mystery Sounds It will be out soon พี่เป้สวัสดีครับใกล้แล้ว What type of music do you like? Right now, probably pop or R&B. Who's your favorite Domadia? Probably my friend Gong Thomas. And we're gonna I'm at PBM house. Just arrived this early morning. รอเลยฮะ Did you come to Philippines? ไม่มีเลยนี่แล้วแบบมากกวนทุกคนได้เดี๋ยวผมขึ้นไปไลฟ์ข้างบนก็ได้ชิบจะได้ไม่กวนทุกคนแป๊บเดียวเราไปไลฟ์กันข้างบนดีกว่าครับเพราะว่าทุกคนกำลังทำงานนะผมมากวนเฉยๆวันนี้วันนี้ผมเพราะวันนี้สระผมตอนเช้าไปวิ่งมาฮะ Yes This is just starting Exactly. Where's Namna? Everyone been asking. Yeah, he probably asleep right now. I'm not sure if he's up yet. Do you have a favorite BL series? Oops, Mystery Sounds. Hi. Hi. You might have made me playing no music for today because I'm not at home. Mấy ngon lẹ. Boop. Wait by me. I'm the person that told you that I'm meeting my online friend. Oh, yes, I actually do. I do. Fire. Yeah, I just got a haircut like last week, I guess. Couldn't remember the exact time, but yeah, probably last week. Two weeks ago, right? Yeah. Around that.ง่วงอีกแล้วอ่ะไม่ง่วง They do for summer breaks. You were hoping you would go live when we were together, but you didn't. Yeah, I'm pretty busy. Who do you think is more clingy? You or Namna? I don't know. I mean, like, well, it depends. How are you gonna spend your summer vacations? If I have time and I can spend my summer vacation, I would probably spend my summer vacations at home. I don't know. I love staying at home. Like, just chilling, you know. It will be released, it will be out around September. This year. Oh, ขอบคุณครับมันจะมีคนถักมันเด็กมัธยม Are you an introvert? Yeah, I am an introvert. Definitely, I am. I think everyone says that I'm an introvert. Are you still in school? Yes. Still studying. แต่วันนี้ไลฟ์ไม่นานนะฮะเดี๋ยวจะไปแล้วอีกแป๊บหนึ่งแบบ10 นาที เหมือนจริงเป็นกลมๆเลยใช่ไหมตัดแล้วหน้ากลมเลย Hi หน้าโอเคดีไหมที่มาดูไลฟ์พี่จริงเหรออย่าเลยเดี๋ยวเขาจะหาว่าพี่ทำให้หนูเสียการเสียงาน Yeah, I'm very excited. I'm super excited. หนวดขึ้นเหรอ September. Are you Gen Z? Yes, I am. I feel like I hope it blowed up. คิดถึงแบบมาหามาเลยฮะแต่ที่ได้ผมไปแล้ว I'll be here for another like 10 minutes because I gotta go grab something to eat. I know September, but what day? Mid-September. How am I? Guess my age. How do I look? Are you in a boy group? No, I'm not. What's the time here? It's 16:05. Aren't you 24? 18? No, I'm actually 25 now. But I was born 2000, so I consider myself Gen Z. Life ไม่มีอะไรครับไม่เห็นผิดเนี่ยไม่คิดไลฟ์รอแบบตัวคนหมาแบบมีข้าวน้ำหน้าหรอ First น้ำหนักLet me check. He's not up yet. He probably has sleep. Like that. I'm from Thailand, Bangkok. ไม่ได้ยินหรอ What happened to the mic? I don't know. Is it clear now? Is it good now? Do I have to speak like louder? Why you so nah? Where did you learn English? I don't know. I speak English with some of my members in my family, so yeah, probably that's where I learned from them. In the school as well, I don't know. Yeah, I had a lot of molds. Here as well. Which date? The exact date, I don't know, but the series will be out in September. Can you sing for me? Not yet. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie? There's a lot. If I can... My favorite movie? That's hard. PK I mean, it's good. Do you want to learn Indonesian? Teach me some. Sayang, right? Like something. I'm going to study German. I don't know for sure though. And how did the meeting go? Like how it goes with your online friend? Have you watched Even If This Love Disappeared Tonight? No, I haven't. Hi, how's the weather in Thailand? Is it nice? No, it's not. Raining every day. Anjing means dog. Oh, so I ain't supposed to see it. Hi. Do you have a favorite songs right now? Yes, I do. Risk It All, Bruno Mars. ดูง่วงตลอดอยู่แล้วครับแบบเป็นแบบผมดูง่วงตลอดเลยอะ What is your favorite color? Blue. Anything with blue. Give me your song recommendations. They're actually my playlist. I put it on a group chat in Insta. Can I say it? I don't know. I might get banned here. Yeah. There's actually a playlist. I actually dropped it in a group chat there. Who's your favorite artist as an Asian? My favorite artist as an Asian? Luke Chen. Luke. If there's a Thai artist, Jeff, and Pinoy Wong Pro. I don't know if you know him. Yes, I did. I did cut my hair. I just got a haircut like 2 weeks ago. That's my mustache of yours part. No, really? I gotta shave. Haven't shaved for like days. Yes, Jeff Sutter. Oh my god, I didn't go. Do you know any Filipinos? I do know a song, but I couldn't remember the name. As always. PPK sounds weird. Why do it sound weird? What happened?ไม่เดี๋ยวจะไปแหละหาอะไรกินดีกว่าผมจะหิวข้าวแล้ว Okay, what's it? Do you want more words in Indo? Yeah, but a good one, please. What did you do today? I went. I had like a morning jog, like 45 minutes, and then just chillin' and drink some whey protein, and yeah, took a shower, and that's it. Haven't had any breakfast yet, so I probably go have my first meal of the day in like 1 minute, so I probably go soon. ขอให้อร่อยๆนะไม่ได้นั่งทับใหม่ครับน่าจะเป็นที่เสียงผมแบบพูดแบบนี้พูดแบบเบาๆไม่ได้นั่งทับใหม่แต่ถ้าสมมติพูดเต็มเสียงก็จะเป็นแบบนี้ Just a protein shake, that's it. Do you know SB19, their Filipino boy band Gento? I don't. Hi. I'm so excited. Me too. Do you have your screen partner be? Yeah, I probably go eat something now. So, yeah. Gotta go. So I wish everyone have a good day and enjoy your day. Stay healthy because the weather is bad. Is it raining out here in Bangkok? See you next week, I guess. Or this week. Alright, bye bye. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye.